Do you know that you have cash available on your balance sheet? No, I'm not referring to your current assets. I'm pretty sure you're aware of those. What I am referring to is other things that is taking money out of your company that if you only plug them or at least discover what's going on, you'll possibly have more money, more cash flow in your business. Want to know exactly what I'm referring to? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Octavia Conner, CEO of Say Yes to Profits, a virtual accounting firm that helps businesses across the U.S. have more money, more profits, and pay fewer taxes. So when we're referring to finding the hidden money in your company, oftentimes the first place business owners will go to is their profit and loss statement. They're looking at their revenue to make sure their services are priced correctly. Then they're focusing on their cost of goods and services sold to see how they can lower those. And then they look at their operating expenses. And while those are great, those are not the only places that you can discover cash in your business. You actually have cash hiding on your balance sheet. Now, as I said in the intro, I am not referring to your current assets. We know about your accounts receivables, meaning you've sent out an invoice, the money is there due to you, but you have yet to receive it because the customer has not paid. Or those things that are cash equivalent, those items that you can turn into cash quickly. I'm not referring to that. I'm wanting you to take a step further down and look at your liabilities and your equity. You actually have cash hiding in those areas. So when you are reviewing your balance sheet and you go past your current assets, there are a couple of things hiding in your liabilities and your equity that is taking cash out of your business. The first thing that you may discover is loans payable. Loans payable is when there is a loan out there that you have for your business and you're making monthly payments on this loan. Guess what? This is not going to show on your profit and loss statement. So when you see that net profit number, you log into your bank account and you wonder where is your money, it could be that you're paying loans back. The second thing is credit card payments. Now, with credit card payments, of course, the transactions will be or should be on your profit and loss statement. Maybe you paid your rent, maybe you bought something from Amazon, Office Depot, whatever. Those will show on your P&L. However, when you make a payment from your operating account to your credit card, that payment is not going to show on your profit and loss statement. That is actually going to be on your balance sheet, okay? The next thing that you have is payroll liabilities. Oops. Payroll liabilities is because of your employees that you have in your business. Now, if you are determining how much revenue you're earning per employee and you see that that amount is not a good amount or someone's just riding the clock or whatever it may be, maybe you should think about reducing your labor costs so that your payroll taxes reduce as well. And the final item is owner's equity. Now, while I'm not telling you to not pay yourself, you want to take a look at how much money you're actually taking out of your company for you as the owner. So if you're taking your business credit card or your business bank card and you're paying personal items, that's probably going to be listed in owner's equity, and that's probably not a part of your salary. So you want to make sure that the amounts that you're taking that are going to go towards owner equity is helping your business and not hurting your business, okay? Now, do you have any questions about the cash identifiers in your business? If so, leave your questions and comments below and I'll definitely come back and answer them. If there's a video or something you want us to create for you, leave that below as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Octavia Conner, and until next time, say yes to profits.